Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Subtutorials. Today's essay topic is Science a Blessing or a Curse. So let's start. The modern age has provided us with many wonderful inventions and discoveries of science. The world has changed tremendously by its contributions. Science has not only improved the living conditions but measured mountains and fathomed oceans, and is now fast discovering the space with rockets and space stations. Scientific wonders are seen in every walk of life. It has increased the comforts and made domestic life easy, giving men more time for leisure. Industries are giving finer and greater number of outputs in lesser time. It has also helped in boosting the agricultural yields and preserving the same over a longer period of time. With the use of various machines, equipments, and gadgets, trade and business has accelerated. Electricity in itself is a great wonder of science. It is the essence of mechanical functioning. Communication is made quick and easy by various instruments, and traveling has become comfortable by the use of variety of vehicles on land and seas as well as in the air. The large world has become a small place as the long distance have been minimized. Numerous drugs and vaccines have cured people from dangerous life-taking diseases. Unimagined wonders of organ transplantations and laser surgeries have increased the life expectancy world over. Pain due to illness is reduced. On the lighter side, science has provided us with many means of entertainment like radio, TV, and video to fight the boring monotony in life. Life is easier and man is proud of his achievements. Though science has done a great service to mankind, it cannot be well praised. Men who misused the powers of science to make arms and ammunition are responsible for all misfortunes and misery they have brought on themselves. These inventions may be credited to scientific aspect, but they have ruined place, mankind and wealth. The machines which have provided comforts and easiness have failed to provide the peace of mind. It has led to unemployment and competitions. Man has become greedy and lost the spirit of brotherhood. He lives in the constant fear of wars and destruction. In fact, the misapplication of scientific knowledge has brought man face to face with destruction. For the human race to survive peacefully and honorably, it is necessary that the scientists of the world must be discouraged to attempt from the inventions which have adverse effects. Science is the noblest attribute of nature and the best gift of God to men. The potentialities of science must not be misused. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe for more updates. Bye bye.